What's up my dudes? So I recently saw a tasty video of 6-minute apple pie recipe, and apple pie is something which takes a lot of time to make. So when I saw that, I was like, oh my god, a 6-minute apple pie recipe is exactly what I need in my life, and I'm going to try to make it, and let's get right into it. So this recipe starts with you peeling up the apples and then chopping them up. This is the most important thing which you'll have to do, and the most time consuming thing as well. Also, when you're chopping them up, make sure that you're not getting the seeds of it inside. They don't taste good in a pie. Trust me, I'm speaking from experience. And then you just have to microwave that for a minute. Let the microwave do its job. I have done some desi swaps over here, so they told me to add oats and then add in a bit of brown sugar inside of it, and I don't have brown sugar lying around, so I just added in jaggery and a little bit of plain flour, which is maida. You just have to mix that up, pour that onto your pie, and again let the microwave do its job. Microwave that for 2 minutes, and then voila, your pie is basically ready. So not to flex or anything, but I just woke up, so I'm having apple pie for breakfast today. It smells really nice. I know it doesn't really look that great, maybe because I'm not a chef like those tasty producers, but I am going to try it and give my opinion. So this tastes really good for a thing which took just 10 minutes for me to make, including all of that peeling of the apple and cutting it, putting it all into this glass. It does taste like a mug cake version of an apple pie, but this tastes really good. Try it out if you have all of the ingredients just lying around. Try it out right now. Really great. You killed it with this recipe, Tasty. Thank you so much for sharing it with the world. Also, the flour which we add in does, thicken up, and the crust of that oats gives a crunchy taste. So yeah, it all worked out. And I added in jaggery, as you guys know, instead of brown sugar. So I know brown sugar is not that common to find, so try it out with jaggery. It tasted good, it works out. So well, yeah, there we have it, our apple pie, mug cake version of apple pie, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.